For here, we set up our control station where we pick our eastings, northings.
I know where your helmet.
We're working with our. We'll start again.
We're surveying about 1,000 hectares of land using RGB and LiDAR. We're using the latest used L2, okay, with the matrix 350 RCK coupled with iTarget. Also combining it with the RCK system for the LiDAR, okay. So we are doing detailed topography survey of the entire area. We're using LiDAR so that we can be able to get more detailed information because there are a lot of trees around there. So we can get penetration of the bare ground itself, okay? We have a deadline, okay? We are giving like completing everything within 3 to 4 days, okay? For 1,000 hectares. All right.
This is where we establish our control stations. This is an iTarget V200 DGPS, differential GPS. So we'll be establishing control stations which we'll be using for precise positioning, in which the drone GPS will be attached to it, georeferenced, and all for precise positioning. So right now I'm just trying to fix the antenna and we are good to go.